daily English conversation for parents and kids.
Hey, buddy. What are you doing with the old gift wrap?
I'm going to make a paper car.
A paper car? That sounds fun. Can I help?
We need to rip some squares, rectangles, and some circles.
I'm guessing these rectangles are for the car's body, and the circles are for the tires and the steering wheel.
Yep, and the squares are for the windows.
Okay, let's start gluing the pieces together.
Wow! This car looks so cool!
Let's role play. Suchu TV, Learning English. Thank you for watching.